What is up, my boys? So today we're gonna learn how to make the 404 lead slash synth slash screech slash something slash and it sounds like this exactly.
I'll solve that.
So as you can see, I've used two serum patches. One of them is for the actual lead and the other one is for the bass that I will also explain to you later on, but it's really simple. And this is the lead. All right, so as you can see, we have a saw wave from Basic Shapes. It's at, here I was testing, so it's at -4 octaves plus 12 semitones, but what this means is that it's at -3 octaves, okay? Now, the detune is at 0.16 and blend is at 51. It's gonna have 15 unison voices. And then we have FM from B that we're gonna see why. We have a B oscillator and it's at +2 octaves for the same reason that I did this. I was just testing different pitches, so we got this. It's gonna be pretty much an exact same copy, except we have FM from sub and the level is a little lower, so this is 76 and this is gonna be 59. Okay, we're gonna turn on the sub because this is FM from sub at 17%. Sub is gonna be a saw wave as well, 0 level and at +4 octaves. Okay, good. This is how it sounds so far. By the way, you see this shape from the LFO one? It's more or less a sine wave, kind of. And I made it, I made it by hand, so it's not exactly so sine wave. And the speed is pretty much, BPM off, so it's 3.7 hertz. That's the speed that I felt sounded the best. But I mean, you can do BPM on, you can do different hertz, you can do many things with this. This is gonna be the oscillation of the lead. Now you might ask, what is this actually modulating? Well, we go to the matrix and we're gonna find it here. It's modulating the noise level. Noise is off, so it doesn't matter. But it's actually modulating the master tune, which is the pitch. The pitch is going up and down with a double arrow type of deal. We are gonna go to the effects. I'm gonna turn on tube distortion at 72%. We're gonna put on some flanger with rate off and phaser with rate off as well. This is just to give it some texture, some spiciness. And then we have a comb filter. The comb filter is at 41 hertz, resonance is 35%, this is 0, and the mix is at 48%. Okay, we got some delay, very quick delay to make it sound more metallic. Gonna have 3% feedback, link on, BPM off, and it's gonna be at 36 milliseconds. Ping pong delay, 35% mix. Now we got the hyper. The rate is 40%, the tune is 25%, 7 voices, and the mix is at 64%. And this is off. The dimension is off. Then we got the multiband compressor, -18 dB, ratio 4:1, tag 90, release 90, and gain is 9 dB. Multiband is on and mix is 100%. And then we got the EQ. I just put it inside Serum, just so when you download file, you get the perfect sound. You know, frequency is 350 hertz, Q is 45%, 0 dB gain, and it's a high pass. The other node is gonna be 2300. It's a high shelf, 51% Q, gain is 7 dB. And that is this sound complete. Sounds amazing. All right, so for the other sound, we got this going on. It's just a sine wave, -3 octaves. Just regular ass sine wave. Distortion, tube distortion at 97%. Again, very regular, basic. And then EQ, just to give it more of the low end. And that's it. That is it. Both together sound like this. So if you like the sound, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because you're gonna be receiving like a shit ton of new sounds. And you know, I've been preparing some cool stuff that you're gonna enjoy. Not allowed to say anything yet, but you should probably subscribe. I'm just saying. And yeah, that's all. See you next time, guys.